Alright, y'all. Welcome back to, not Bob Vila's crappy little garden. Alright, no, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to show you my little, oh, hi, bee. My crappy little attempt at this vegetable garden that we got going on here. These are the snap beans. They look like they're starting to flower up. Maybe grow some beans. I mean, they're still alive, right? That's good, I guess. This one's like the littlest. This is the biggest, and this is the, I don't know, mom, daddy plant, mommy plant, baby plant, who knows. And here's my cherry. There's a cherry, husky cherry red tomatoes. We actually do have some, where they at? Hello. We do have some tomatoes on there. They ain't red yet, but hey, we got tomatoes. Does that make me a gardener? Even though, you know, we've had like a drought here, folks. It's like we need rain badly. The other day I tried to go out here and water everything and put the sprinklers out for the trees and stuff. It was like snowing leaves. Okay, my poor broccoli, folks. I don't know. Something's enjoying it. Something is obviously enjoying it. I'm not a big fan of chemicals, so. And okay, here's the lettuce. Am I supposed to eat it yet? It looks like it's, I don't know, getting big. This is romaine. Am I supposed to like chop this part off and eat it? I don't even know. Alright, that's it. It's the eggplant. Hello. I think we got little baby eggplants. Oh, y'all can't see. I think we got little baby eggplants coming. Hello. Wait, flowers. Little babies. Hi, little babies. Oh, no, that's a flower. Well, there's something. We'll get something. We'll be good. Who knows? And this pepper plant. Where's the pepper plant? Here it is. It's being overgrown. This freaking, what is that? Eggplant? What was this? Cucumber. No, that's cucumber. This freaking pepper plant. Is this pepper plant? It's got little baby peppers in it. I don't know. Flowers. Here's the parsley. Here's the oregano. Yeah. Alright, down here, what do we got? Hello, move. Zucchini. Bunch of flowers. I don't think we have any zucchini yet. This is a tomato plant. Bunch of flowers, no tomatoes. Come on, tomatoes. Pepper plant. Do you have any peppers? What are those? Hey, wait. Wait. They can't see that. Are those little baby peppers? Aww. Alright, y'all. This is my crappy little update. I don't think that's gonna make it. On my little garden. Veggie garden I'm trying. Who knows? Hope you guys are trying too. If you fail, who cares? Right? It's okay. But hey, something's eating it, so I feel accomplished. Something is enjoying it. Alright. We'll see you later, guys. Until then, always remember, be happy, be healthy, and go grow some vegetables. See you later. Wait, where's Bella? I lost her. She's out here. Being a fool by herself. Playing with her wet by herself. She enjoys it. I don't know why. But hey, let's water the trees. They're thirsty. Alright, y'all. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.